Yeah, hello students. Now we are going to see about the purpose of creating standard holes. Right? It's a very important hole which is used in your mechanical design. So click on the standard hole option. You will get standards which are available. ISO standard, UNC, United Codes, United Fine Thread standards. So I'm going for now ISO standard holes. So in the ISO standard holes, we have standards available. Different standards like M5, M10, M11, M12 hole sizes available, which are standards actually. So I'm going to specify the surface where the hole is to be created, and I'm going to specify the distance for hole placement. So you can very well say that a simple M12 hole of pitch 1.75 with a depth of 30 mm is created. You can preview it to check your hole geometry. So the pink line represents your thread value. So now if I want to change this to a countersunk hole, you can see it. You can change it to counter bore, where you can see the shape of your hole geometry. How do you want it? Counter bore or countersunk hole? So through the shape, we can control the dimension for the countersunk as well as for counter bore geometry. Okay, so these are all standard hole which are generally available in your software. Press OK to create the standard holes. If I want to create a counter bore hole, go to hole toolbar, select the standard hole geometry, select the standard you want to define, the size of my hole, and then choose the counter bore geometry. Select the surface where you want to place the hole. Now go for offset references, these two edges as my distance. You can very well see that a counter bore hole is created. So this is how standard holes are created in your Creo software. Now we will see how to make use of your sketched holes. Use sketch to define the drill hole profile. Go to placement, select the plane where I want to create the sketch or where I want to place the hole geometry. Now it is asking me the offset references. Where do you want to place the hole? So select the distance from the edge where you want to place the hole. Now you go for sketch geometry. Activate sketcher to create section. So you will open another window where I want to create the cross section of my sketched hole profile. So it's going to be a custom based hole profile for which I am going to create a cross section. So I have created a cross section profile. This is the profile at which the hole has to be positioned. Press OK. You can very well see that the hole is positioned clearly. Right? So the hole geometry is completely created. It's a custom based hole what you are seeing. That's okay. So I hope you would have understood how to create a standard holes like countersunk, counter bore, and sketched hole profile through this session. See you in the next class with few more examples. Thank you.